Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? It is Tyler. A little bit of a different video today. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of a piece of equipment I got for my camera. There will be an Amazon affiliate link down below to this. I got this so I can have more control over my camera, because when you're working on a vehicle and you're wrenching on stuff, your hands start to get tired and you kind of start to shake a teeny bit. Sometimes I do, because you just are trying super hard. You get worn out and then you have to tote a camera around and vlog, and it's kind of hard. So this is a rig to put the camera on, and these are little mounts. These are hot shoe mounts, so they're the opposite of a cold shoe. They go from the square to the stud instead of the female square, you know. So these here are pretty simple. We're just gonna jump right into it and open these. These things are pretty simple. There will be a link to these in the description as well. This is for my Canon EOS 80D. So this is what a hot shoe is. It's pretty simple. As you can see, there's that piece and then there's that. So the reason I got these is because it's a cage type and it's a little too short to fit the camera with the microphone. So the microphone is going to sit on one of these, which will be nice. But there's 4 of those. I believe that was $8.99 for those. Next up is going to be this. I don't remember what this thing's called. It'll be in the video description, and you'll obviously have seen a picture of it already, but this will be the first time I'm seeing it. So pretty nice packaging. Filming equipment, not sponsored by any of this. Made in China, of course. Neewer. So this is gonna be my first impression. This was, I don't remember how much this was, but we're just gonna hop right into it here. We're gonna open it up. Okay, pretty simple. Got a customer support guide. We have DSLR cage C2. So it looks like maybe this requires some setup. Not sure. I'm gonna go ahead and move these out. So I got mine in red. You can get red, blue, and I believe there's a black version. Oh, this is pink, not red. Well, it's kind of red, I suppose. These are pink. This was supposed to be red, but apparently it's pink. Not quite sure why. That's very odd. Yeah, this is supposed to be red, I think. Okay, well, so these are red, and you can definitely see it on camera. Like, that is definitely, like, pretty red on camera, but these are pink, which is really weird. So we're just gonna set that there. Next up is gonna be this grip handle. This also is red. It looks a lot more red on camera than it does in person. It's kind of a pink color, which is odd. But hey, you know what, man? I ain't complaining. It was either this or blue, and I'm not a huge fan of blue, so now we have the cage here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. Nothing else in the box. Pink is definitely interesting. It was definitely advertised as red. This is definitely not really a red color unless I'm colorblind. I'll have to get someone else. So obviously sits like this. I'm gonna need to tighten, or wait a minute, does it? Oh, you can take it off here and here. So you can take these handles off. This is really interesting. So we're gonna get to setting this up. Okay, so you have multiple mounting spots here. So you can go there, 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 and there's tons of shoe mounts all over the place. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that there. I believe, yeah, those do not work. These round head guys do not go on top. These guys do, the square head, I guess you could call them. I don't know what they call them. Round head and cup head. Not sure if these are classified as cup head, but whatever. So we'll go ahead and run, oh, I'm gonna run this in the middle one actually. Alrighty everyone, so I did order red, but apparently anodization on aluminum is very hard to get the red color. Apparently, I asked my dad, because I feel like I'm like going colorblind here. Like, red's looking a little weird to me now. Who knows? But this is definitely pink, and he said it's really hard to get red. So it doesn't really matter to me. I mean, it's a little tool here. I don't care. I don't care. So we got this top on, one of them. You gotta put that on. Now that looks red. See, the camera makes this look way more red than it is. That's weird. Maybe over time it'll change. Who knows? Doesn't matter, man. Okay, so this is gonna go on the bottom here, like this, right? Or, oh no, like this, pardon me, like this. So, let me see if I can bring this up here. Not like this, like this, correct? Oh, wait a minute, I am wrong. Wait a minute, like this, sorry. Is that right? Is that right? Wait, thickened. How in the world are these supposed to clear? What? If I put it on like this, will that clear? It doesn't clear. How is that supposed to work? That's how it shows it. I have to try something. Okay, everybody, I was about to return this. Oh, okay. So here's the deal. Whoever designed it the way they did, it's not anywhere on here does it say that this happens. So here I am. These things hit. If they're sitting like this, they hit. They come up past this edge and hit the bottom of the camera. So I was like, well, how in the world am I supposed to get this tight but not hit it? I did not realize, if you ordered this, or if you're going to order this, or if you're someone on the internet, I hope this gets a lot of views because this was extremely frustrating. If you are the brand Neewer and you're watching this video, please, I just spent like 30 minutes trying to figure this out. Please let everyone know that you can go like this and adjust the knob as needed to where it needs to be. I didn't know that. I thought the knob was fixed. You can just pull it out. It's got a little spring under that. You can just pull it out and adjust it. So, Neewer, I was really close to returning this. So, that makes this job a whole lot easier. So, I mean, now, shoot, you can just pull it out and adjust it. I wish I would have known that. Nobody said that. As you can see, I was disassembling it to put it away here. Really lucky that I caught that, because I was going to be pretty butthurt. Okay, now, I got a Canon G7x here. I'm just going to go ahead and slap that on there, if I can get it. What am I doing wrong? So I can tell you right now, no, it's not hitting. That's odd. I don't know what that is. Oh, maybe it is hitting on one of the screws just a little bit. Okay, we are on the Canon G7x now. So this thing also ended up being kind of difficult. I ended up taking the whole thing apart. So the way this works is, these tighten here. There's a little keeper here. This piece tightens to a stud that sticks off this down here. That's why they're loose. This operates under traction. It's actually pulling. These, I could not get off. These things are tight down here because I was going to flip this thing. Because I was like, well, my Canon G7x, the lens won't flip. Well, then I realized it's, you can flip it anywhere, basically. Alright, everybody, so this is how you're going to do this after much trial and error. So, you're going to put this on through the bottom without these and without the mic. You're going to run it all the way in. Next up, you're going to run these two on just to where they're flush with the top. Then you're going to unscrew it back down until these hit this. Next, you're going to put the mic on and just screw this back up while holding these still, because that'll allow the threads to go up into this. And then you're going to tighten this one down and tighten this one up. Alrighty, so this thing weighs just a little over 4 pounds with just this on here. If you added a light, you know, it could get a lot more serious. But now we're going to do some B-roll, something we're going to do without this thing, me just holding the camera, and then we're going to do with it. And if you really want to, the funny thing is you still can hold the camera like that. So you could do this. If you want to adjust focus, you have to have a really strong hand though to do this. Or you could go like this, or you could go like this. Or you could go like this, stable, or you could honestly go like this, is also very stable. So, oh, we're dropping stuff. So, and then if you wanted to vlog, you just turn that around, and you really could also grab the camera for vlogging. It's so close to fitting, like this. Like that. You could also grab it like this. I mean, 4 pounds is a lot to carry if you're gonna have vlogger arm, but this is not really meant for vlogging. So I guess cue the video of me doing some B-roll with this, like this, holding it without this rig, and then with the rig, and we'll come back and do the outro. Yeah, sweet. Alrighty everybody, we are back from those shots. I'm back on the Canon G7x. It definitely is nice to have. It is heavy. It's gonna take some getting used to. 5 pounds is quite a bit, and that's not even with all the accessories that I could put on here. I could put a light on here and some other things. I could have this whole thing decked out, but I'm not gonna do that. There's no need to. This is nice and it's a good budget option. Stabilized gimbals are pretty expensive, and I don't know, I'm more of a hands-on. I like controlling it versus like pressing a button. I don't know, it's just the way I roll. But yeah, it's definitely you have a lot more control than if you weren't to have this thing. One thing I do like is that you can hold the hand I'm holding the camera, you can hold here, and you can also hold this and catch focus, and you can also come around front here and adjust your zoom as well when you're filming. You can do that both ways. And I also like for shots if you're holding it facing straight down, the camera does sit perfectly flat like this, and if you needed to and you were filming forward, you could hold it like this, or you could hold it more like that, or you could just hold it like that. So it's pretty nice to have. Did try this out as well. My arms are a little bit tired. I'm not used to carrying this giant thing, but it's gonna work great. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful. If you have any questions about how to put this thing together or anything like that, feel free to comment below. And yeah, may the Lord bless you, and may He watch over you in all your ways. God bless. Peace out.